As you can see from the decorations, we have gone from a princess theme to Peppa Pig because she decided she wanted Peppa Pig. So what I'm going to do is just enhance this or try and mix them together. And what you're looking at here is a plate holder that I purchased from Goodwill, I think for $3 or $4. And this is what I'm going to anchor the centerpiece with. These little paper table decorations. I'm going to add those to it, and that'll keep them from blowing away. So, in this video, you'll probably see a variety of things. Okay, next I'm going to add these flowers to my little centerpiece. Okay, it's a kid's birthday party. So this is as good as it's going to get for the centerpiece. Nothing but paper. And all of this can be thrown in the trash after the party is over. And as you can see, I put glitter on here. I don't know why I start messing with that glitter. I should have done that before I put this together. But I did it after the fact. But either way, I wanted to have a little more bling on it. Here's our Peppa Pig centerpiece. I'll be putting together some treat bags for the kids. And I'm going to be using these stirrers. So what I'm going to do is stick it in the box like that. And then I'm going to put... took those little small ones that were in this package and just put them on the little gift bag with the happy birthday sign.